raindrops fall, they echo in my bones. I walk the path where we once called home. The air is cold, but colder is the space where memories fade but never leave a trace. I try to breathe, but the night pulls tight. A whisper of you dissolves in the light, and the rain sinks under my skin tonight, carrying every fear I couldn't fight. If I close my eyes, will you disappear? The lamppost hums a quiet melody, a fragile song of what you were to me. I chase your shadow through the trembling rain, hoping